Azfar in Japan!
Hello, Azfar! Hi! How are you, Azfar? Azfar! Let's see what's today. Today we have some snacks for you. Yay! Here you are. First one, chocolate corn.
しみチョココーン。うまチョコスティック。
Here you are. Wow. Yes. You wanna eat it? Wow. Yes. Yay. Okay, Azfar, let's open. Yes, let's open. Can I help you? Azfar, let's get open. Here you are. Wow! Chocolate corn. Yay! Yummy! Yummy? Azfar, you like it? Yes? Yes! Here's the next snack for you. Bunty!
わなげチョコレート。
Wow! So colorful bunties! Okay. I will give it to you. Here you are. Wow! Yay! Next snack is ramune.
あべっ子ラムネ。メロン味。
Wow! You want to open it? Yes. Okay, let's open. Here you are. Wow! Is it yummy? Whoa, colorful. You like it? Yes. Finish. Is it delicious? No? Here you are. You want more? Here you are. Azfar, look! Here's the next snack for you! Potato!
カルビーのサッポロポテトつぶつぶベジタブル。
Wow! You want to open it? Okay, let's open! Here you go! Wow! Potato! Let's eat! Oh wow! Yummy! Is it yummy? Yum yum! Is it delicious? Wow! Crunchy! Azfar! Here is your favorite lollipop!
ポップキャンディオレンジ味。
Wow! You want to open it? Okay, let's open! There you are! Wow! This is your favorite lollipop! Is it yummy? Yay! Azfar, see you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye. Azfar, bye bye. See you next time.